I'm going to show you how I assembled my garage storage set from Montezuma. It was truly a frustration-free experience.
Each piece is sold separately, so you can mix and match units to build your perfect garage, just like I did. Every unit comes folded up for easy transport. Once home, you will simply unfold, attach with provided hardware, and set up wherever you want. All you will need is a power drill or a screwdriver. I'm going to show you how to assemble a one-door wall cabinet. Simply unfold the wall cabinet and lay it upside down. Insert and tilt the bottom panel into the cabinet bottom, make sure the holes align, and attach with the screws provided. Turn it over and attach the top panel with the provided screws. Finally, put the shelf supports inside the cabinet at the desired height and put the shelf on them.
And there you have it. Not frustrating at all. For more information, refer to the owner's manual that came with your new unit.
Watch my pegboard and post assembly video to see how to attach this wall cabinet to the top of a pegboard and post combo.